Hey guys, today I'll try to figure out a way how to explain you to do the three basic sounds, what I consider to be the three basic sounds of the beatboxing. Basically I think that those sounds are kick drum, hi-hat and inward snare. I actually started with those sounds and yeah, please avoid this area. I was playing basketball and I took a massive pass in my head. The kick drum is done by simply saying the letter B, but without vocalizing that E sound on the end. So it's like try to focus on building and try to focus on pushing more air through your mouth, so the sound will sound more, louder. And yeah, it takes practice, like every other sound. My trick to make the sound louder and sharper and cleaner is to position your lips like you're gonna whistle. Yeah, or like you're trying to say the letter O, for example, and then try to make the kick drum sound. It sounds way different if you're positioning your lips like this. See the difference? Yeah. The next sound is the hi-hat. It's probably the easiest sound in the whole beatbox thing. It's basically saying the letter T again without vocalizing it, like another trick again I think is positioning your tongue on your placing your tongue and pushing it against your upper teeth and kind of trying to push more air in a shorter period of time, like making the sound last much less, and in that way you're making it crisper and louder, I think. Yeah, the next sound is the inward snare. I learned that sound very easy, but I'm still practicing it because I don't know, I think the most important thing in a beatboxing is to have nice sound, right? Basically how I learned it is by simply outward saying the letter the word clean and using the first two letters C and L. So it's like outward, and try to keep the same position of your tongue, your teeth, your lips and your mouth the same way, and try to say those two letters inward. So it's like at least that's how I learned it. You can check out my multiple snare tutorial. It's right here. Yeah. The way to control that sound, I think, is I discovered while I'm still a huge fan of Roxy Roots, and the way he does it is basically trying to build more pressure. Yeah, the thing is, you have to keep your tongue like this. This is the beginning of, if these are your lips right here, these are your lips, and this is your tongue must be right here. So it's like the ending of your tongue must be on the top of your mouth. yeah, basically that's it. Some people do it in the middle, some people do it on the left. It depends. I mean, yeah. The thing is that you have to learn to control your pressure, and the way I used to do it, and I still do it sometimes, but it depends if I'm freestyling or whatever. I build more pressure because I do it in the middle, and I try to build more pressure, and in this way I'm making my sound sharper and shorter, like yeah. Basically that's it. I think this is the most important sound in the beatboxing, because with this sound you control almost every beat, I think. Yeah, that's it actually. Practicing makes it perfect, you know. And yeah, this video is getting kind of long, so make sure if you have any questions, make sure you post them in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of those. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah.